This product was sent to me from a brand to do an honest review, and I may earn commissions on this video.
Appreciate it. Alright, so this is your main cam. 4K Ultra HD. Peel this off. This is where your screen's going to be at. So it's going to face up like this. You're going to put the double-sided tape right on here. It's going to mount on your windshield. And then you can actually rotate this camera around to fit your needs wherever you want to put it. Then you have your either camera facing you, or you can put this out the back, out the side, run it really wherever you want to run it, because they give you plenty of cable length for that. You got your accessories, double-sided tape, your 12-volt connector. So this just plugs in your cigarette outlet, and you connect USB cables right to that to power your unit. Double-sided tape, brackets, everything needed.
There we go.
Thanks.
You're welcome.
And I did put 2 copies in your copies, and I got 2 guys here.
Okay, I appreciate that.
Have yourself an amazing day, okay?
Thank you, you too. Thanks.